Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a password-protected file or folder in Google Drive. Google Drive doesn't let you set a password directly inside the app, but I'll show you a simple and secure way to protect your files using Google's sharing settings and a quick password trick. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you can either upload a new file or create a new folder. To upload, click on the plus new button on the left. Then choose File Upload or Folder Upload and pick the file or folder you want to protect. Now, here's where the password style protection comes in. By default, anything you upload is private to you. But to make sure it stays secure, right-click the file or folder and select Share. In the sharing window, look under General Access. Make sure it says Restricted. That means only people you specifically invite can open it. Next, click Add People or Groups. Type in the email address of the person you want to share it with, and under their name, choose their permission level: viewer, commenter, or editor. Before clicking Send, you can also write a message telling them you'll share the password separately. So in short, make your Drive file restricted, share only with trusted emails, or upload a password-protected zip file for maximum security. And that's it! That's how you create a password-protected file or folder in Google Drive. It's simple, safe, and keeps your private files away from prying eyes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.